20 minutes now that we are standing here. The queue isn't moving. All the counters are full. I think Ho Chi Minh is surely a busy city during the winter break.
Ho Chi Minh city. We were wondering where to stay in this big city. Ho Chi Minh is one of the most important cities of Vietnam. Even though it's not the capital is Hanoi. We'll be going there later. So coming back to our stay options, after a lot of research on YouTube, I selected this hotel called as the Wing Hotel. The reason being, it is a very eco-friendly hotel, lot of reusable stuff, and also it's a self-help place. You will not have bellboys and it's not a luxury kind of hotel, right? So let us take you on a short tour at Wing Hotel. So it goes up all the way to the 12th floor. This is the entrance, the main lobby. At different places you have these vending machines and kiosks. You have to check in by yourself. Since the Christmas season is on, so you have a huge Christmas tree. Beautiful decor. This being the festive season, you have a lot of crowd, but our check-in was really smooth. You have these vending machines, you have these kiosks where you can just check in. It's pretty simple. So we are at the Wing Hotel. This is our floor. Let us take a tour of the room.
So one thing before we enter, I've heard that the rooms in Vietnam are usually a little smaller than what we are used to. So this is a family room. You have a queen bed here, overlooking the city. That's a single bed there.
And it's going to be my bed.
A small couch.
And there's a desk over here.
So this is very good for commercial purposes as well. So if you are here on a trip, work trip or something, you have a small desk. This is the washroom. Again, the shower cubicle is separate. Very compact and cozy. What I like the most is the view. If Dipanjan can just take it towards the window. If you see, I mean, just imagine waking up to the city in the morning.
We have come for a dinner cruise on the Saigon River. This is our boat here called the Saigon Princess. So one of the touristy things that you do is you go on a river cruise, having dinner, and at night the city is really beautiful with all the lights lit up. Go on, start.
So I was just admiring the beautiful Saigon River. You can see how beautiful the city looks at night. It's well lit and the Christmas vibe is very, very strong. So the entire family is inside. They are waiting for the dinner to be served. I'm just enjoying the calm that is here outside and the beautiful Saigon.
Just started to move. It was steady. And the surprising thing is that there are many more cruises. And that black one is the biggest one. The water is like very clean. And as it is Christmas, all the lights they are on.
Xin chào! It's day 2 here in this historical city of Ho Chi Minh. Now we are headed towards Ho Chi Tunnel to explore how the Vietnamese stayed during the war. Let's go and see how the life felt on the ground.
We have arrived at the Ho Chi Tunnel. This is the entrance and there is a huge parking behind us. Today being Christmas Eve, there's a lot of crowd. Ho Chi Tunnel is significant because of the war that the Americans had with Vietnam. And these tunnels were built by the locals to hide from the American soldiers. They are all underground. It's almost like they had a city underground. So we are just here to check out history. A lot of atrocities on the local people and how difficult it was for them, but they fought the Americans with a lot of courage. So we'll go inside. You have to collect a ticket from here and then we'll go inside and we'll see, we'll witness history. We're literally living the war. There's a huge area where they have actually still maintained the relics, tunnels and traps.
This way we can go to, on the way for fighting we can come down to escape.
So there is a tunnel underground here.
Yes,
Everything is interconnected.
Actually around us.
Now we have a young soldier standing on a captured American tank. What you see here is air ventilation. So there is literally a village underground, and this is where you got fresh air to breathe underground. They had big bamboos that went all the way down, so for air ventilation. And then you can see these traps here.
Trap very simple. Just only the stick by bamboo stick. It has the black color because why? Why we use black color like this? The black color means that the bamboo.
So you have a tunnel that goes all the way down. We saw the trap over there. When you go down from there, everything is interconnected underneath. So you can go all the way down into the tunnel.
We have a place for you to come inside. Don't worry.
So you go all the way down and people lived underneath for days together fighting the soldiers. There is a tunnel here. We are going to go into this tunnel and come out from the other end.
Wait for the guy.
But literally you have to crawl. You have to literally crawl. I wonder, these guys were very courageous. And for days together, they moved from one village to another. And literally crawling. It's very narrow. There is no light. It's pitch dark. And I'm literally crawling. There are these tunnels. So you just have to follow the guide so that you don't get lost underneath. It's okay, Digantika. You have nothing to be scared of. I'm right behind you. Come on. Bend and keep going.
Yeah.
Yes? We are almost there.
I'm okay.
So this is the end of the tunnel.
I love this one.
You love this one? So this is how they fought the Americans.
I had so much fun.
Awesome.
Spent only a couple of minutes there, and I don't know how I can express what I'm feeling. To imagine that people had to stay there for months together.